In today's video, I have a floor plans for a single family home. We're going to review the design floor plans together, hoping finding any improvement to do.
So this is the floor plan. I can see it's 2-story buildings, 2,500 square feet in the ground floor, and then in the second around 1,500. One bedroom, the second one is here. I see potential improvement here. This area, it's wasted. I also see some improvement in this area here as well. So let me zoom here. The circulation is wrong. It's really hard to get from outside, and then you are pretty much in front of the bedroom. What I would do is to move the door here, and then we have transition area before you get to the bedroom. Let's zoom in here. Here is the big one. This is the dirty kitchen. Another open kitchen. An island here would be perfect. Maybe with a sink somewhere, dishwasher, and then the dining, we will rotate it 90 degrees. Pretty much like this. 3 foot here. This is wasted area. This is very large. So what we can do is we move this door this way. I think this is the shelves. So we're gonna extend it. We're gonna push the shower 2 feet. Let me change the color. So there's gonna be a desk here. Study area. So we have bigger closet, and we also have a desk or study area in there. And this is your entrance. Okay, this one, this door, let me put the red one, let me get the red. So it's a huge mistake to have the door against the wall. Always push it 2 feet away from the wall so you can have all that area, like cabinets, closet, whatever. So this is pretty much how to optimize the space here. So here's your entrance, here's the door. This area, it's wasted. Let's include it to the art. So this is the door. What we did is we included this area into the room, and we moved the door for the game room here. I think here is a huge mistake here. To improve that, let's make the laundry like that. So the pantry will be smaller a little bit here. Get rid of this door. No door here. So we're gonna have another pantry here. Basically, this one will be hidden. This is like a storage, and then the pantry will be here. So you have sliding doors here. What else we can improve? I think the number of parking, I can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. This one looks like randomly placed here. So this is the deck. I think it goes all the way here. No parking here. So we will have a nice large deck facing the pool, and then we're gonna move this parking spot here. So this is gonna be the second parking spot, or the fourth will be here. And here, one large improvement that will change the game here, I think. If we have sliding doors, glass doors here, it's going to be sliding, folding, stacking, whatever. But we have all that area to be glassed, and we have access from in and out. That would be very, very nice. and all that outdoor area will be used as one space from the inside. So here, no wall here. It's gonna be opening together.
If we haven't met before, my name is Abdul. I'm an architect with over a decade of experience, architecture and interior design, all what I do all day long.
Let's go to the second floor. Okay, so here is the stairs, I believe. Yeah, okay, this is the ground. We're still in the ground. We're going up here all the way. So here where we... Okay. Let me understand this a little bit. Okay, so this is the first point. We get here on the second floor. Okay, I see here area for improvement, and the office. Let's zoom into the office. And I think this is living area. I think we need kitchenette here a little bit. A small, tiny, maybe cabinet or service. A little kitchenette maybe here. So let's take it like that. So this is gonna be the counter. Maybe you have sink here. Yeah, we're gonna push that wall here, and this is gonna be the entrance. This is the door for the office. So this is the old one. This is the old closet. We're gonna extend it all the way to the wall, and we're gonna push this door northward a little bit. The furniture doesn't work here, so we're gonna flip everything. This is gonna be the sofa. This one will go here, and this little one will go here, and this is the table. So now we have a clear access to the outdoor. We have a kitchenette here, and we have a nice living area. Let's move to the... Okay, this is the master. Okay, here I see so much room for improvement. So this is walk-in closet. So maybe we can have the walk-in closet here, and then this is gonna be open closet. No walls here, no walls here, no wall here. So let's push this bit a little bit downward. So this is gonna be the bed. Here we're gonna have the maybe counter here or something with a nice mirror and a chair here. So this is like a makeup table. So these are closet here in one side. This is basically your circulation. You can go here all the way, you go here around. Yeah, by the way, this walk-in closet can be wider. We can push it here a little bit, it can be wider. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, I see. Oh, look at all that is the terrace. It's a huge one. It's 250 square feet. What we can do actually here, so this is basically the terrace. I think these gonna be the terrace, and then we're gonna include this area into the bathroom, but this is gonna be like outdoor top. Okay, so this is gonna be like outdoor top. It's gonna be open to the sky, and maybe we have louvers here. Here is the sliding door, so you can go to the outdoor area, and this is gonna be solid wall. Yeah, I think here also we can have like double vanity, so we can have one here and one there, so it's gonna be much luxurious here. Yeah, that would be very nice. So you have a outdoor hot top, and then double vanity. Here is the shower area, and this is the toilet. So that's perfect. I think that's pretty much it. Let's move to something else if we can find any. Maybe what we can do is, so this is, it looks like this is the living area. Not living, but this is like a space where you're sitting, the sitting area. And this is the bed. I think if we have like I don't know what is this, but if we can have maybe shelves here, it goes all the way to the ceiling. So it's going to be ceiling to floor, where you can have your box, you put it everywhere, somewhere here. And then that will visually disconnect this sitting area and the bed area. I think that will be nice. I think, yes, this is pretty much it. If you find more rooms for improvement, let me know. So just type it in the comment, and we can review it together. Maybe we can have another episode that we talk about the viewer's point of view. If you have your own project or plans existing or a new design, and you would like to us to review it together here in the channel, that will be perfect. Just send us an email. I'll leave it in the comment section below. I will leave the email address. You can just send it to us and we can review it here together. I hope you really enjoy it. If you find any value from this video, just give a like, share, and consider subscribing if you can. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.